Hey guys, it's Cameron here with Emerson House Buyers, Emerson Property Management. I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that helped me build up a sizable warrant portfolio in about 2 years. Today I want to talk about this interesting article that I read from CNBC, and I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention because this advice is total bullshit. So, and people actually published that. They probably paid somebody to write that article, and it's total and utter nonsense. So I want to share this with you. I'm quoting from this article, and I'll have this below in the comments or notes section or what have you. But from the article, beginning investors should make sure that they aren't always following the herd mentality. Interesting. Says the CEO, Todd Burkhalter, CEO of Drive Planning, a financial consulting firm based in Georgia. Make sure you guys stay away from that and a financial consulting firm. Aside from the standard lineup of stocks and bond funds, young investors, he says, should consider holdings like private placement investments, things that aren't so common. And guys, I don't know how else to say this, but that is flawed, bad, stupid advice. There's no other way to say that. That's just total nonsense. It's total and utter nonsense. Saying that trying to get cute and fancy with investing never works. Trading, you have the fees that you incur. And guys, to sit there and say that the old way of investing doesn't work anymore would be the equivalent of saying, well, for those of you that work out, bench, squat, and power clean just don't work anymore. Those are old ways of working out. You guys really just don't need to be doing those. Those are just the old ways. They're worn out. They're not applicable. It would just be madness. If you said that to anybody who knows anything about fitness, it would just be total and utter madness. There are foundations and fundamentals to investing. And I'm telling you right now, the getting cute, looking at stock options, commodities, buying gold bars and stuff, that's fine to do when you're messing with maybe 5% of your portfolio, but after you build a solid habit of investing in stocks. I recommend, me personally, this is what I do. I'm not a financial advisor or an attorney or anything like that, but anybody under the age of 35, really under 40, should be almost 100% stocks. And that is because if you have the long-term time horizon, and I say most because some people might be looking to retire early, they want to save their nest egg, but for most people under the age of 40, you're going to be about 100% stocks, if not 100% stocks. I used to be of the old mindset of, yeah, we need some bonds, but you're going to be pretty much 100% stocks. And to sit there and have the audacity to say that you need to get cute, he's talking about playing to millennials and how they want to do different things. Guys, trust me on this. If you don't do anything else, just take my word on this. It's good enough for Warren Buffett. It's good enough for billionaires. It's good enough for people who are wealthy. Then why do we have to get cute and develop something else and start trying to get fancy? Play the game. You do not want to, you want to follow the herd in this case. Follow the people that have the money that are making money. And I'm telling you right now, those people are invested in low-cost funds. They're not invested in any of these cute investments that are probably high in fees, I'm going to guess. I don't know. He didn't specifically lay out any other investments, but gold is hard to store. It's got high fees. Same thing. Unless you buy silver, but even if you buy silver coins, you got to put them somewhere. You got to have them in your house. Okay, there's a risk if somebody breaks in. Whereas stocks, they're there. They're liquid. Liquid meaning you can buy them and sell them pretty quickly. So, guys, like I said, when I see advice like this, it makes me freaking squirm because somebody on CNBC had a dumbass attack and let this guy write this article, and then some other dumbass let him post it and publish it. It is madness. Do not try to get cute. Play exactly what they've been doing. Low-cost index funds, S&P 500 index, or total stock market index. At this time of this recording, Vanguard has some of the lowest, and I would highly recommend Vanguard. I hope that was helpful. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, let me know. If you disagree with me, let me know. I'd love to hear some of these bullshit investments that these people are saying you should invest in. I would be very interested to see how that on the long term is going to outplay the standard investment. And maybe he's talking about things like Bitcoin, how well that's doing right now. Okay, guys. Hope that was helpful. Thanks. See you next time.